My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. What I have here, folks, is an ultralight cook system. This is a stove made out of titanium, and I've been running this for the last couple of months. This is made by a company called Kuvik. They make a large number of titanium products, and we're talking about wood stoves, spoons, pots, kettles, and so on. To be honest, I've never heard of this company before, and I've never seen their products before. But after coming across this stove, I was interested, and I started looking into them just a little bit. The vast majority of their products look to be extremely similar to other products that are out on the market. Products from like TOGR and so on. With that being said though, with this stove here, I've not seen this design before. I'm not saying that another company doesn't have the exact same stove for sale. I'm saying that I personally haven't seen this product before. Anyways, everyone, this is the Kuvik Titanium Solid Fuel Stove, and this is my agenda-free review. That's right, everybody. This is a solid fuel stove. So what you're looking at here is the storage bag for this stove. This is a very simple product. You have some Velcro at the top. And here we have the stove itself. This titanium stove is composed of 4 components. Wall number 1, wall number 2, wall number 3, and we have a burning plate. Putting this stove together is very, very simple. You could see that you have 2 extended sections on one side and you have 2 holes on the other. When putting this together, make sure these tabs are sticking out. So you take 2 tabs, you put them inside of those holes. Inside. And inside. And just like that, the walls of the stove are put together. If the stove is put together correctly, you will have the logo facing outwards. At the same time, the feet will be facing outwards. It is now time to install the fuel tray. You can see here on this fuel tray, we have 3 fins. These fins align with 3 holes on the body. Basically, we're going to take the fuel tray, slide it down, and insert those fins into those holes. And now, my friends, the fuel tray is locked into place, and this stove is ready to go. Now that you all have seen this stove being put together, let's talk about what a solid fuel stove is, just in case you do not know. Solid fuel stoves are designed to burn a variety of different forms of compressed fuel, with hexamine being the most common. These stoves are known as solid fuel stoves, hexamine stoves, or hexi stoves. Solid fuel stoves vary greatly in terms of design. You have some that fold together and unfold, and then you have those that are pieced together, like this one here. These type of stoves are very popular amongst campers, hikers, military personnel, and survivalists. And this is due to their compact nature, lightweight design, and because they're incredibly reliable. These stoves are simple. They have very few moving parts, and they tend to be very inexpensive. Now, my friends, let's talk about hexamine, which is again the most common solid fuel type. Hexamine is regarded as a very versatile heat source for numerous reasons, and here in a second I'll talk about those. And it's those reasons why it is so popular with campers, backpackers, as well as military forces all around the world. Hexamine fuel tablets are also known as heat tablets or ESPIT tablets. No matter what you refer to them as, they are a solid form of fuel, and they offer a number of advantages, such as, for one, they offer very high energy density for their size and weight. Next, everyone, when you're burning hexamine, it releases very little smoke, which is ideal for military operations, stealth camping, and when you want to be more discreet. Not only do these produce very little smoke, but they also produce very little residue on your pots and cookware, which translates to a very quick and easy cleanup. This fuel is compact, lightweight, and it takes up very little space inside of your backpack. It is also highly weather resistant, meaning that you can use this in wet conditions as well as extremely cold conditions with no issues. Also, you can basically store this for a lifetime. It does not break down very quickly, which has made it very popular with survivalists and so on. As you can see there's plenty of reasons why this is such a popular fuel, but do know this, you do have to use this stuff in a well-ventilated area. Do not burn this inside of your vehicle, inside of a tent, or anything like that. The fumes that are released from hexamine are toxic. As far as using this stove goes, once you have the fuel in there, it's going, you take your pot and you sit it on top. As you can see here, this is a good sized pot, 750 milliliters, and it fits perfectly. Let's take a quick second here and let's go over the stats concerning this stove. It is made from titanium. You also have a polyester storage bag. The weight of the stove and the tray 2.7 ounces. The weight of the stove, the tray, and the storage bag, 3.1 ounces. The storage bag measures 6.5 inches by 5 inches, and it's half an inch thick. When the stove is set up, it measures 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and it stands 4 inches tall. This stove costs $20, and it's designed to be used with hexamine, trioxane, alcohol fuel tablets, and in a pinch, you can even use this as an alcohol stove. And that's because the fuel tray has no holes in it. With the stats out of the way, let's go over my list of pros and cons, starting with the pros. Number 1, the quality of this stove is very good. The storage bag is good. The stove itself is excellent. All of the edges are very smooth. It's a nice product. Next, the value for this is very good. At $20, this is a very versatile stove system. It works well with a wide range of pots, cups, and pans, kettles, and so on. It is crazy lightweight, substantially lighter weight than even an Espit stove or a competitor. It is extremely compact when it's all folded up. It takes up no space inside of your pack. Once the stove is set up, it is very, very stable. At the same time, it is easy to set up, easy to break down. Each of the panels lock together rather securely. I've never had it come apart even when moving it. So far, it has been very durable. Even with long duration burns, there's been no warping or anything like that. When it comes to the fuel tray, I really like it. First off, it's large enough to hold multiple fuel tablets so you can have very long burns. Also, there's no holes in it, which means in a pinch, you could put alcohol fuel in there and use it that way. Speaking of longer burn times, if you need that, you can use the 27-gram fuel tablets and they work perfectly in this stove. We're talking about 25 minutes of runtime from one fuel tablet. Naturally, with this stove, you get all the benefits of using hexamine. I've already gone over a huge list, and to add to that, you could use these at high elevation and in sub-zero conditions with no issues. Next, everyone, when it comes to this stove, it is highly wind resistant. It's not windproof, but highly wind resistant, and that takes us over to my list of cons for this stove system. While it is wind resistant in windy conditions, you will still need some sort of windscreen. A simple solution is a piece of tin foil. That will assist you with far quicker boil times. The next con is the fuel tray. While it is elevated high off the ground, if you're not careful, if you don't take time to prep the area, the leaves underneath the fuel tray can catch on fire. This really isn't more of a con because this is common sense, but it needed to be mentioned. You do have to take the time, prep the area before you use this stove. And as far as cons go for this system, that's it. All in all, I really like this product. The design is very simple. It's straightforward, it's lightweight, it's inexpensive, it takes up no space inside of your backpack. It does everything that you would want a solid fuel stove to do at a fair price. And with all of that being said, if you're looking for a solid fuel stove, this one easily has my recommendation. It is a great product. It is now your turn to sound off in the comment section down below concerning the Kuvik titanium solid fuel stove. What do you all think about this product? All in all, I'm very impressed. The price is certainly right. It's very functional, very versatile. I like it a lot. If you have found this agenda-free review helpful, hit the thumbs up before you go. I do appreciate it. Also, if you want to support a channel that's completely agenda-free, you could do so on Patreon and on YouTube. I do appreciate it. I purchased this with my own money. I don't care if you buy it. It means nothing to me. Until next time, everyone, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.